Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an image search application with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Like this, if we search in the search bar like cat, and if we search cat, then it will show us some images of cats. If we search dog, and if we click on search button, then it will show us some images of dog. And if we go below the face, we will find here a button, show more. And if we click on this show more button, it will also shows us further images of dog. Then if we click on show more button again, it will also bring us further images. So how can we create such kind of image search applications with CSS, HTML and JavaScript? Will show to you. For if you are first time in my channel, you are requested to please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will get the notification at first of all after uploading my all videos. So let's get started our work for creating such kind of image search applications. Okay, we open Visual Studio Code, and here I create a folder, and in this folder I created 3 files: index.html, script.js and style.css. In index.html file, I just created basic codes for the file, and here I am giving my title of the face, image applications. Okay, now I am link up the CSS file and JavaScript file to this index.html file. And in body sections, I'm just link off my CSS or JavaScript file. Okay, now I'm creating just heading parts of my face, and the heading in head text I'm creating heading of the face, image search. Now after saving this, we'll refresh my file. Okay, now my title, face title is image applications, and heading of the face is image search, like this. Okay, now I am creating search bar including a search button, for this, just I'm taking a form tag, and in this form tag I'm taking an input tag. This tag type should be text, and placeholder also I am giving image search for image, search for images, and also I am giving an ID to this input tag, ID, and ID name is search input, and also I am taking a button. This button type should be button, and here I am writing search, and also I am giving an ID to this button. ID name is search button. After saving this, if we go to refresh our face, then it look like this. Okay, after this we will take some divs for the images like this. So we are going to our code, and here we will take a main div which class like search result, and in search result div we will take further divs for images, and those class will be search result. And in this search result div we will take an image tag img, and below the img we will take an anchor tag, and in this anchor tag we will write another things. So firstly we'll view a website, name is unsplash.com. If you go to unsplash.com, here you will find your dashboard. Before accessing to this website, first of all you have to create an ID, and after create an ID you will get your dashboard. So first of all here I am searching some images like mountain, if we search mountain, here are some images for mountains. So right click on these pictures, right click on this picture and copy link address and paste the link on image source attribute, and in alt attribute here we can write image mountain image, and in this anchor tag we can write also mountain. And we will go to the image and just copy the URL of the image, then paste it in href attribute. Okay, now if we refresh our face, then we will see like this. Sorry, the image is not come to this face because just right click and copy the copy address and paste it in here. Still the image is not coming, so maybe we have mistaken something. We are going again, right click, then copy image addresses. After copying image addresses, just we change this. Now after saving this, if we go to our face and refresh, okay, the image has come to our face, and if we click on this link, it will show us the details of the image, but we don't want to open our pages, we want to show it in a new tab. For this just we will go to our code, and here we will add target attribute. In this target we can write underscore blank. Okay, now it will open in a new tab. Okay, okay, now we will take more two deep for images. Just I will copy this and paste it 2 times, and after saving this we'll be able to see our face like this. Okay, now we will add some CSS to this element. So we'll go to our style.css file, and here we will add some common CSS for the face, such as margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing, border box. In body we can add CSS line height 1.6. After saving this, if we refresh our face, we'll see like this. Now we will add some CSS to h1. Here we can margin at top 40 pixel, right 0 pixel, and bottom 60 pixel and also left 0 pixel. We can add text align, center, font weight, bold, and font size 36 pixel. After saving this, we refresh our page and we are seeing like this. Now we will add some CSS to the form tag, and here we can write display flags, align item center, justify content, speech center, and margin 60 pixel. After saving this, if we go to refresh, then we are seeing our face like this. Now we will add some CSS for the search input tag, which ID is search input, and we can add some CSS to this tag, and here we can write width 60% and max width 400 pixel, padding top and bottom 10 pixel, and left and right 20 pixel, border none, border box shadow, zero 8 pixel, RGBA 0.2, and border radius, that means BDRS 5 pixel around. After saving this, refresh our page, and we are looking this better than before. Now we will add some CSS further, such kind of font size 18 pixel, and color like this. Okay, now it is looking more better than before. Okay, now we will add some CSS to this button, and the button ID is search button. We will copy this, and here we can add some CSS for specific the button. To this button we can add padding, top and bottom 10 pixel, left right 20 pixel, background color we also give hash 128.065, color should be white, and border none, and font size 18 pixel, box shadow 6 pixel, RGBA 0.2, cursor pointer max width BDRS 5 pixel around, and margin left 10 pixel. After saving this, if we refresh our page, then we will be able to see that the button is more beautiful than before, like this. Okay, now we will add some CSS for the main image div. Search result, copy this, and dot hyphen slash curly braces, and here we can add some CSS such as display, flex, justify content, space between, flex ref, and max width 1200 pixel, and margin top and bottom 0, and left right auto. Okay, after saving this, we'll be able to see our page like this. Now we will add some CSS for individual div of images. Copy this search result, and here we can add some CSS like this: margin bottom 60 pixel, width 30%, height 100%, border radius 5 pixel around, box shadow 0, 6 pixel, RGBA 0,